Here you go. Oh, can you make the emoji where the things come out?
Oh shit, that's different.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Dude, I used to love these things.
Seriously.
There we go. Ooh. Yeah, dude.
Little frappies.
Mocha?
A little cooler.
The Mocha Chocolate.
It's just in time for fall. I'll get you your sweater. You can enjoy your frappuccino.
That is a basic white girl, too. Look at that. Oh, we're gonna go from.
Ooh.
Down in Texas, too. They got hers down in Texas. Must be like some special kind of
Oh man.
jalapeno down.
What kind
They
is
look
it?
good. Never seen them before.
Probably Texas only
Jalapeno
thing.
poppers.
Okay.
Yes.
Good old Ollie's store. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Got it done. Yeah. Exciting stuff.
We appreciate it. Thank you.
You gotta get that on film.
So it was a stage 3. He brought it back to upgrade to a stage 4. Well, the difference is basically Mammo MSD, throttle body, injectors, and then we did the valve covers. And then he brought us like a bunch of other shit, like the steering wheel, I think the shift knob maybe, shift light, I don't know, like a bunch of little shit other than the engine stuff. Oh, we did a clutch too, DC power alternator, did an overflow tank, LED bulbs for his heated seat buttons. It's just like a bunch of stuff in here. Oh, we did 390 gears too. I wanted to baseline this thing when it came back this time because it has different wheels and tires on it. With the tire that's on there, it's going to make less power than it made before, so I wanted to get a true actual baseline again. And good thing we did, because I think it made like 30 some horsepower less this time with this tire and shit on there. And then the gears will make it make even less power. So I just wanted to get a kind of a true comparison, because I think it made like 620 before with stage 3. So I didn't want to like bring it back in, then these wheels and tires and the gears kill it and all that shit, and then it makes like 610. And then people will be like, or people will be like, what the f? Like, so I think it only made like 580 something baseline when it came here with these wheels and tires. Like that ET Street R will kill a dyno number.
So the street tires perform better on the dyno?
Anything with a harder sidewall, yes.
Okay.
Like a run flat will dyno like the highest because it's super hard to, like, none of the power is being absorbed in the tire. Like, you'll probably notice on this thing during a dyno pull, that tire like will wrinkle and shit, and that's all, it's absorbing all the power that's supposed to being put into the roller. So, like, it doesn't, it's not physically like making less horsepower, it's just putting down more horsepower. You know, like the engine's still making what it's making, but it's got to go through a bunch of things for this machine to read the number, and a lot of those things affect it. Yep, that's why like light wheels and all that shit like make a higher dyno number. Like less rotating mass, all that shit. It'll all help with putting the number that's coming out of there go into there, you know? It's just a tuning tool though.
Yeah.
I just wanted to explain the difference between like before and after, and 'cause a lot of people, this is basically our stage 4 package, and people are going to be wondering why it only makes like 613. When it was here before, but a stage 3, it made 622 with like stock wheels and tires and stuff on it, and now it has these, which we talked about in the car, and then when we baselined it, it made 574. So then we did basically upgraded to our stage 4 and did gears at the same time. So I was curious if it was even going to pick up much at all, and it did. It basically picked up almost 40 horsepower and 20 foot-pounds of torque, even with doing the gears. So I mean, that's a pretty substantial increase. Shorter of a graph because we did gears, so the mile an hour is a lot different. Before, the stock gear will go to like 155 in fourth. Now it goes to like 130 and some change in fourth. So that's why the completely different numbers and different look on the graph as opposed to how it was before to how it is now. So it still picked up a bunch. More than honestly I thought it would pick up.
Got a good educated guess here for me?
I have no idea. I have no idea what boost it runs. I have no idea anything. I'm gonna say 525.
We'll see. Man, I didn't even look at it yet. So.
It's a Whipple. They all make noise.
Ripping like a chicken.
Are you more familiar with these than they are?
Am I more familiar with 6-gen Camaro? I'm more familiar with the 6-gen Camaro than anybody in the goddamn country.
All right. So you got a guess or no? Any idea? Whipple supercharger.
Bone stock with a Whipple.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you're good. 499 horsepower.
That's a good. That's a solid guess. Let's see.
Wow, 60 in the house almost.
I mean, they're almost identical, so I mean. So, did you happen to get the rundown on what's going on?
You want to run down?
I do, indeed.
Where'd you like me to run to? Wawa?
Wawa, you can grab me a sandwich while you're there? That'd be nice. It's too close to lunchtime. I gotta stop.
Did you pack or you need lunch?
I gotta go buy lunch.
Got some lunch meat up there. You're welcome to finish it off. Some Wonder Bread. I gotta run over my mom, so.
That's all right. I'm probably gonna go get something over at Royal Farms or go to Chipotle or something. I don't know.
You don't trust my lunch meat?
No, I don't. Dude, I ate sandwiches my entire for 3 years straight every day for lunch. So I'm kind of all sandwiched out. If you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
I figured you would have had Tyler stand there.
I was hoping you'd be like close enough to be. Yeah, not hit him, but like close enough to make him jump. No, I wouldn't do that.
You spent a lot of money on the camera. Yeah, if it would have broke, I'd have been I would have had a heart attack.
Watch your heads. Now, so this is basically going to be a stage 5 build. Rods, pistons, fuel system meth. LT4 high side fuel system.
Question him, what's the stage 5?
He'd be like,
Forced induction.
You got one thing right. It's about the only thing I figured you would. Actually, I was 50-50 on if you would get that right or not.
What do you say?
Forced induction.
Well, it already has that. So.
Well.
Yes, we'll be reusing the forced induction.
Yeah. Factory it doesn't though, but.
Probably change up the pulleys.
What's on this thing? A Whipple?
Whipple.
How big are the Whipples on these? 2.9? I don't think we've ever like pushed one. Have a Whipple, have we?
Yeah.
We have?
A red car from Alaska.
Oh, that had a Whipple on it?
I
The
made
guy
like
that had, like the
980.
crane company or
Yeah,
something?
what
Okay.
else? Yeah, I did a couple
Okay.
stage 5 Whipples.
I forgot about that car.
Yeah, we done.
What was that white one we did for the guy down in that owned the concrete company or whatever? Was his a Whipple too?
Eric did that.
The older guy? Yeah, Eric did do that.
Yeah, I think that was a Whipple too.
What's your guesstimation, my friendo? Is it all stock, pretty much? What it looks like to me?
It's got Corsa mufflers, which don't do shit. Corsa must hate me.
They probably do by
They
now.
definitely hate me.
Yeah.
Whatever, I hate them too. Since Eric's over there, I'm gonna go ahead and take the 469.
Ooh. You got it first. All right, you said 469.
He says
You got it.
469. 474.
474. What's up, buddy? Come here. Zeus. Man. He just ran away.
What?
I wanted to pat it. I'm gonna get a video.
He got 469?
Now,
Yeah,
what?
Matt stole it.
Well, Matt can. 469 is just Eric's permanent number.
Yeah, always on a stock Z06.
Made 489. Kyle, what was yours again?
474.
I guess you win then. By default. So we got another Z06 here.
Yeah, there's these three.
I take a wild guess and say this is getting heads, cam, headers.
These three, yep.
Is that it?
Yep.
Because it already has
And we're
the...
switching out his courses with factory mufflers.
Oh, you're from the factory back on?
Yeah.
Oh.
These taillights are pretty sick though.
What does he have on it? They look, I don't know, they just look flat.
They look original, but yeah, when they turn on, it's like a hallway effect where the lights go down. Looks like they're going down in a tube.
Oh, like an infinite mirror
It looks,
effect.
it looks pretty sick.
That's cool.
I think it looks pretty sick.
Full stage 4 with a clutch. I think it had like an intake or something on it when I got here. I don't remember. It'll make 638
Okay.
final, not just first pull. It'll make 626 first pull. I'll show all the people too. For that last pull, which made like 644, look how much timing I have in it. 19 degrees, because I know everyone likes to think these things need like 24 degrees. At like 6,400, it goes up to 19 and a half and very high. We got 17 and a half around 5,000. They don't need timing, bro.
And going on the dyno next is this white Camaro that Matt's been working on. If you made it this far in the video, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to follow us on our social medias and stay tuned for the next one.